Texas, Bosque, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Somerville, and Tarrant. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following report. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north-central Texas, Erath County in north-central Texas, Parker County in north-central Texas, southern Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, Hood County in north-central Texas, northeastern Comanche County in central Texas, until 5:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Palo Pinto to near Dublin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Stephenville, Mineral Wells, Granbury, Dublin, Pecan Plantation, Willow Park, Springtown, Glen Rose, Brock, Hudson Oaks, Western Lake, Anetta, Gordon, Rye-Penn, Palo Pinto, Cool, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Lake Weatherford, and Squaw Creek Reservoir. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 364 and 417. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 4.
Interim programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for the following counties: for Somerville and Hood counties, for Erath County, for Parker County just west of Fort Worth, and for Palo Pinto County, all until 5:15. A line of severe thunderstorms is located from 7 miles west of Palo Pinto down to near Dublin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. These strong storms are intensifying. They have 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. They triggered a tornado watch off to the west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area earlier. Now a severe thunderstorm watch is being issued for the immediate Dallas-Fort Worth area, which we will broadcast shortly. Again, new severe thunderstorm warnings are being issued now for Hood and Somerville counties, for Erath and Parker counties, and for Palo Pinto County until 5:15. A line of severe thunderstorms extending from west of the city of Palo Pinto down to Dublin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. These storms will reach the DFW metropolitan areas within the next hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise County in north-central Texas, southeastern Jack County in north-central Texas, northwestern Parker County in north-central Texas, northeastern Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Grayford, or 10 miles north of Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Bridgeport, Briar, Pecan Acres, Springtown, Rome, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Pouville, Paradise, Runaway Bay, Newark, Perrin, Lake Bridgeport, Advance, Salesville, Cottondale, G-Town, and Joplin. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Wise County in north central Texas, northern Parker County in north central Texas, until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:53 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Prouville, or 10 miles northeast of Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Prouville around 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Springtown around 5:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Briar and Reno around 5:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Boyd around 5:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Adele, Peacer, Agnes, Advance, Often, Cottondale, Keeter, Sanctuary, Highland Edition, and La Junta. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio. Texas until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Programming is request for the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert. National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise, Jack, Parker County, and for Palo Pinto counties until 5:30. Severe thunderstorms 9 miles east of Grayford or 10 miles north.
Radar indicated rotation. Impact. Springtown around 5:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued tornado warnings for southwestern Wise County and for northern Parker County until 5:30. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Poolville, about 10 miles northeast of Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This storm may contain a tornado. Flying debris can be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes can be damaged or destroyed. This storm will be near Poolville right at 5 o'clock, just within the next couple of minutes. Springtown around 5:10, Briar and Reno by 5:15, and Boyd by 5:20. If this storm continues, it could also be entering southwestern Denton County within the next 15 minutes. Once again, a tornado warning has now been issued for southwestern Wise County and northern Parker County till 5:30. Severe thunderstorm near Poolville, or about 10 miles northeast of Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding message. Programming request to the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise, Jack, Parker County, and for Palo Pinto counties until 5:30. Severe thunderstorms 9 miles east of Grayford or 10 miles north of Mineral Wells are moving northeast at a speed of 50 miles per hour. These storms may contain some 65 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-star tail.
for Jack County, Parker, and Palo Pinto counties until 5:30. Severe thunderstorms just east of Gray from not far from Possum Canyon Lake, moving to the northeast at 50 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. The interim programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued tornado warnings for southwestern Wise County and for northern Parker County until 5:30. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Poolville, about 10 miles northeast of Monroe, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This storm may contain a tornado. Flying can be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes can be damaged or destroyed. This storm will be near Poolville right at 5 o'clock, just within the next couple of minutes. Springtown around 5:10, Briar and Reno by 5:15, and Bird by 5:20. If this storm continues, it could also be entering southwestern Denton County within the next 15 minutes. Once again, a tornado warning has now been issued for southwestern Wise County and northern Parker County till 5:30. A severe thunderstorm near Poolville, about 10 miles northeast of Mineral Wells, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding message.
Arriving, and actually has arrived already in Pool.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north central Texas, Johnson County in north central Texas, Parker County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, Hood County in north central Texas, until 6:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Springtown to near Granbury, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Hearst, Burleson, Cleburne, Southlake, Weatherford, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, and Crowley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 26 and 67. Interstate 20 between mile markers 402 and 453. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 31. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth.
And again, it's moving to the east at a pretty quick rate. Let me put a pause on this if I can. And for the actual severe thunderstorm warning, it's
The internet programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Somerville County, Johnson County, Parker County, Tarrant County, and Hood County until 6:15. Severe thunderstorms are located along the line that extends from Springtown up in northeastern Parker County down to near Granbury, all in the northeast at 55 miles per hour. 55 mile per hour movement to the northeast and 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts along with at least penny-sized hail, which could become larger. There are spotty reports of 62-mile-per-hour winds coming in momentarily. There are also reports of multiple mobile homes being overturned in Parker County at this time. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings now activated for Somerville and Hood County, Johnson County, Parker County, and Taylor County until 6:15. Severe thunderstorms located along the line extending from Springtown down to Granbury, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wise County in north central Texas, Denton County in north central Texas, southern Cook County in north central Texas, southwestern Grayson County in north central Texas, until 6:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Fairview, or near Decatur, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Coppell, The Colony, Southlake, Corinth, Gainesville, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Decatur, Whitesboro, Briar, Lake Louisville, and Little Elm. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 497. Interstate 35W between mile markers 68 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 446 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The tornado warning for southwestern Wise and northeastern Parker counties will expire at 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has weakened and moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. Now let's check on your...
We have a programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issued 9 severe thunderstorm warnings for eastern Wise County, for Denton County, southern Cook County, and southwestern Grayson County until 6:15. Severe thunderstorms are located along the line from New Fairview down to Decatur, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. These storms contain 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts and maybe some 1-inch hail. There are also reports that these storms have already produced some serious damage to mobile homes along the Parker-Wise County border, although the tornado warnings for Parker and Wise County have been canceled. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings issued now for eastern Wise, for all of Denton County, southern Cook County, and southwestern Grayson County until 6:15. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Severe thunderstorm warning that